Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. Let's continue the topic of profit leadership. In the last session, we saw that profit is a lag indicator, and then the organization should keep an eye on the profit leakages so that progressively the organization is capable of increasing its actual profit closer to the entitlement profit. So let's continue the discussion further. And one question may be coming in your mind: why the profit leakages are happening, and what are the broad reasons so that we can continue to investigate and get into some more details of improvements. There are primarily two reasons why the organization has got profit leakages. One is called efficiency, which all of us know. The other one is effectiveness. So it's very important to understand what do you mean by efficiency and what is effectiveness. Let us take the efficiency. So mathematically, it is all of us have learned that efficiency is nothing but output divided by input. That means output comes on the numerator and the input comes on the denominator. That's what we call as efficiency. For example, if you are using 1 liter of petrol in the motor car, that is the input, and the output is how many kilometers it is able to run. That is an output. So the ratio of the output to the input becomes the efficiency. That means the efficiency at the most can be 100%, but invariably it is 90%, 80% or 70% depending upon how our system is capable of converting the input into an output. For example, if you have a particular machine designed for a technology by which it can give you 100 components per hour, but it is only giving you only 80 components per hour, that means its efficiency, you call it as 80%. So that means the system is not capable of delivering its full capacity or capability. So that is what we call it as efficiency. That means in an organization we have got many systems, many processes which has got its own efficiency. That means the way in which the process is designed, the control mechanisms are designed, always the efficiency is lower than 100%. So that's one of the reasons that the organization is not able to achieve its own entitlement profit. So, but you may ask the question why we are not able to figure out the efficiency is low. The reasons could be many. One of the most important reason is we don't even measure efficiency. If you don't measure the efficiency, obviously you cannot improve it. The other aspect that we need to appreciate is the effectiveness. What do you mean by effectiveness? The effectiveness is always measured by the external customer's opinion about our organization. Efficiency is internal and effectiveness is always external. How we are capable of continue to deliver our material on time to the customer. How many times we are able to make our products defect free so that the customer doesn't have any kind of hassle in using them. So effectiveness is measured by the ability of the organization to deliver its output to the satisfaction of an external customer. That means the efficiency eats away our profitability by consuming more cost than what we are supposed to incur. And effectiveness decides our ability to realize price, continue to retain the customer so that he comes back to buy your products. So at the end of the day, it is very important to understand that profit leakage is happening because of efficiency as well as effectiveness. So going forward, we will try to investigate further deep dive into the subject to figure out how do I measure efficiency and how do I continuously improve the efficiency by bringing down my cost At the same time, what are the indicators of the effectiveness and how do I measure it, and constantly go after the improvement of those kind of indicators which are effectiveness. So in other words, it is very important for profit leaders to appreciate that their organization is entitlement profit is higher than the actual profit, and then over a period of time it needs to bring down the gap between them by working on the efficiency issues as well as effectiveness. I hope this session has given you some more deeper insights, and look forward to see you many more occasions in the future sharing the subject of profit leadership. Take care. Thank you very much for listening. God bless you.